Hi friends, welcome back. In my previous video, I have given one assignment to extract a particular data from sample Excel file. I am happy to say that I have received a good response on this assignment. Let's see the names who has completed this assignment very quickly. Let's see the solution for this assignment. The required text length is 10 digits. For this, for every column, we will add a blank column. Here, we will write a length formula. We will copy and paste this formula to entire row. Okay. Some text is coming 4 digits, some 12, 9, 0, 3. In this, we will pick 10 digit text only. For this, we will write a if formula. If length of the text is equal to 10, then the text we will capture. Otherwise, we will write as false. It means this text length is not equal to 10. We will copy and paste this formula. Here, if we see in this column, there is no such data. In the same way, we will do in another columns also. We will copy this formula here and paste it in all rows. Okay. In this column also, it is not available. Okay, right. We will see in this column. Copy this formula and paste here. See, the length of this text is 10. So it captured the text. Otherwise, it will show as false. Okay, right. In the same way, we will do in another columns also. It is not there in this column. Done. So now we will select the data which is not a false value. So if we do filter here, the shortcut for the filter is Alt D F F. See, this name is not required. So in this column it is not available. So we can leave this. We will hide these columns. So as these are not required. In this column that is also not available. In this column it is there. So for this we will select all data which is not a false value. Here we go. So we will select that data, copy it and paste in new sheet as value. Alt ES is a paste special function. We will paste values only. Right. Again we will go in first sheet, unfilter it. Now filter, now hide these columns. Shortcut for this is control minus, sorry, control 0. Now we will see in this column it is not available, then control 0 to hide these columns. Again in this also it is not available, so we will hide these columns. In this it is there. Again we will select the data which is not a blank and not a false. So we have received this data, copy it, here paste special, Alt ES V. Okay, these numbers we will review later, no problem. So we will unfilter it, hide these two columns. Values. Okay, unfilter it, hide the columns. Yeah, here it is. Copy, paste, unfilter it, hide these two columns. Unfilter it, hide, so from the data we have extracted 572 numbers. In that we will remove other text which is P category. Okay, shift space, then shift control down arrow. it will select all rows. Then control minus, then alt dff to unfilter the data. Now check the data how much we have received. It is 552 numbers. Excellent. Hope you understood this solution. If you have any doubts or queries, you can update in comment box. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.